It's very majestic. The fog just adds this element of mysteriousness because we are mysterious girls. What do you call a Christian birder?
What?
A Saint Bernard.
Come on, Rachel, I believe in you.
Woo! You gotta do something worth taking a picture of. Right? We came from 3 hours away, and you're gonna just sit there on the tree?
Is that what Rachel said?
She's getting level with it. I'm gonna level with you straight, bird.
Good.
Look at its teeth.
Rachel, you can't believe
Can you see it clearly?
How are you so curious about that?
Because it's
Rachel,
got a long tail.
Stop!
You don't like
Nasty.
eating fish?
I do, but not touching that fish. God knows what happened to it.
The rockfish.
Oh, it's
They sit on the bottom.
similar.
Ew, now you're touching your face!
No, I touched it with my. I held it like this. I went like
I'm
not that-
And then you touched your. No, thank you. We're the bird nerd crew.